Hello and welcome everyone. We're going to create an easy landscape with a minimum of colors. Be sure to have a big, medium and a small brush. Also a tissue. That's all you need. Hope you can learn something out of it. At first, you see, we're going to wet the paper. Only where the sky will be. And then, with a medium brush, we put some blue paint to the wet part. It's a light blue color, cerulean. You can always use any light blue color you have, if you don't have that cerulean. And then we gonna add some indigo blue to create dark areas. I mix it with a bit of light blue, as you can see. Then you're gonna use a tissue to remove the wet paint, so we can create a white flat area. Don't forget to turn your tissue occasionally so that you have the clean part. And take your time. You don't have to work quickly. The paper remains wet for a long time. If it's going too fast for you, you can always press the pause button so you can follow it. It doesn't have to be the same. It's all about the way how to paint the sky and clouds in an easy way and only with two colors. Now the air can dry and is ready, but we will add some trees in the background. For this I use the color chromium green with a smaller brush, number 7 or 8. So we just take chromium green and you put it below the sky, and then you see it mixes a bit with the sky. And now a little bit dark into it for the shadows. The dark is made with a little bit indigo blue and the chromium green. You see there are some parts that stay white now because the surface below is dry. And that's the meaning, of course. Now you put some burnt sienna with a little burnt umber on your paper to create a bit of a landscape. On the left side we're going to paint Naples Yellow Deep, which touches the brown parts here and there. I like to have a small river, so I'm adding some blue. At the edges of the river we add darker areas with more burnt umber. If it's not the way you want it, you can remove it with a drier brush or with a tissue, and then you can set up the paint again. Also add some yellow to the right side. If you think you need something more or want the paint to be stronger, you can always add some more color. And so we are done. A small work that is already a nice landscape and a good exercise. I wish you all the luck and I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. See ya!